धनधान्यकरीं सिद्धिं स्त्रैणसौम्यां शुभप्रदां नृपवेश्मगतानन्दां वरलक्ष्मीं वसुप्रदां. Dhanadhanyakarim is a compound word. Both dhas mahapranah. Siddhim, second dha is mahapranah. Straina saumyam is a compound word. Shubhapradam is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Nripaveshmagata anandam. Nripaveshmagatanandam is a compound word. Varalakshmi is a compound word. Now the first word Nripaveshmagatanandam ends in anuswara followed by va, so it becomes Nripaveshmagatanandam Varalakshmi. Anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Vasupradam is a compound word. Varalakshmi ends in anuswara followed by va, so it becomes Varalakshmi Vasupradam because of sandhi. Dhanadhanyakarim siddhim straina saumyam shubhapradam Nripaveshmagatanandam Varalakshmim Vasupradam. Shubham Hiranyaprakaram Samudratanayam Namami Mangalan Devi Vishnuvakshasthalassthitam. Shubham Bhas Mahapranah. Hiranyaprakaram is a compound word. Samudratanayam is a compound word. Jayam. Samudratanayam ends in anuswara followed by ja, so it becomes Samudratanayam because of sandhi. Namami Mangalam Devim. Mangalam ends in anuswara followed by da, so it becomes Mangalan Devim because of sandhi. Vishnu Vakshasthalassthitam is a compound word. Both thas mahapranah. Devi ends in anuswara followed by va, so it becomes Devi Vishnu Vakshasthalassthitam because of sandhi. Shubham Hiranyaprakaram Samudratanayam Jayam Namami Mangalam Devim Vishnu Vakshasthalassthitam. Vishnupatnim Prasannakshim Narayana Samashritam Daridrya Dhvamsinim Devim Sarvopadrava Varinim. Vishnupatnim is a compound word. Prasanna Akshim. Prasanna Akshim is a compound word. Narayana Samashritam is a compound word. Prasannakshim ends in anuswara followed by na, so it becomes Prasannakshim Narayana Samashritam. Anuswara changes to na. Daridrya Dhvamsinim is a compound word. Dhvamsinim dhas mahapranah. Devim. Daridrya Dhvamsinim ends in anuswara followed by da, so it becomes Daridrya Dhvamsinim Devim. Anuswara changes to n. Sarva Upadrava Varinim. Sarvopadrava Varinim is a compound word. Vishnupatnim Prasannakshim Narayana Samashritam Daridrya Dhvamsinim Devim Sarvopadrava Varinim. Navadurgam Mahakalim Brahma Vishnu Shivatmikam Trikalajnana Sampannan Namami Bhuvaneshwarim. Navadurgam is a compound word. Mahakalim is a compound word. Brahma Vishnu Shivatmikam is a compound word. Trikalajnana Sampannam is a compound word. Namami. Now Trikalajnana Sampannam ends in anuswara followed by na, so it becomes Trikalajnana Sampannan Namami. Bhuvaneshwarim is mahapranah. This is a compound word. Navadurgam Mahakalim Brahma Vishnu Shivatmikam Trikalajnana Sampannam Namami Bhuvaneshwarim.